Sweet friends, welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are revealing something adorable 15 creative baby gender reveal cake designs that are full of surprises, sparkles, and sweetness. Let's dive in. The first is classic pink and blue layer cake. A white cake on the outside, but once you slice it open, pink or blue sponge reveals the baby gender. Simple, timeless, and always exciting. The next is surprise inside confetti cake. Fill your cake with blue or pink confetti or candy that spill out once cut. A fun reveal moment for family and friends. The next is stork theme cake. Fondant stork carrying a baby bundle with a cute topper that reads boy or girl with a reveal hidden inside the cake. The next is ombre reveal cake. Beautiful buttercream ombre cake that starts neutral outside and fades into either pink or blue toward the center. The next is baby booties cake. A cake decorated with fondant or piped baby booties with one pink and blue. The real answer is hidden in the flavor of filling. The next is balloon pop reveal cake. Cake designed with balloon decorations. When the top fondant balloon is sliced or popped, the color is revealed inside. The next is bear hug reveal cake. A cute fondant teddy bear hugs the cake with a sign. It's a boy or girl. Inside is a colorful sponge that tells the secret. The next is half and half cake. One side of the cake is pink, the other is blue, but only one color hides in the middle for the true reveal. The next is question mark cake, a big white cake with piped pastel question mark. The filling reveal all strawberry cream or berry moss. The next is balloon burst bento cakes, mini bento cake with piped balloon clusters and a small heart. Slice them open to find the surprise color inside. The next is cupcake tower reveal cake. A tower of cupcakes with edible pink or blue cream hidden inside. Perfect for everyone at the party to reveal together. The next is rainbow cloud cake. Fluffy cloud shaped cake with pastel rainbow decor and soft hints of pink or blue drips that leads to the center color. The next is gender reveal drip cake. Natural buttercream with a dramatic pink or blue drips. Stylish, sleek, and perfect for Instagram moments. The next is baby cloth slime cake. Tiny fondant out roses, socks, and vibes hanging on a line. Adorable outside with a flavorful surprise inside. The next is royal princess or prince cake. Crown toppers, glittery fondant, and royal baby themes. Perfect for a majestic reveal. Not a big cake, fun, no problem. Gender reveal cake pop are fun to bite into and see a pink or blue center. Which gender cake reveal cake idea did you love the most? Drop your favorite in the comment. If you are planning a baby reveal, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory, and share this video to spread the joy. Thank you for watching Cakes Factory. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself. Goodbye.